Marry me. Megan, marry me chicken. Marry me chicken pasta. That's our game plan for today. Marry me chicken pasta. Sounds pretty good. I'm a hopeless romantic at heart. I love reading romance books. Love watching romance movies. And I've just always been one of those hopeless romantics at heart. So marry me chicken. Marry me. Why not? It's already sold itself to me. So here I have some chicken breast that has been marinating in some honey mustard. Honey mustard. I like the way the honey mustard is. It helps break down, make the meat a little bit more tender. What you're gonna need for this recipe is either chicken breast or chicken thighs, boneless. Unless you just want to cut the meat off, it's up to you. I don't judge. Some sun-dried tomatoes, some onions, some heavy cream, some pasta, your choice. Multiple different ways you can do this. Your seasoning, salt, pepper, some olive oil, your seasonings, a can of peas for like a side. And then some Parmesan cheese and some spinach. So, oh yeah, and you're gonna need a big old pot full of water. We're making a dinner. I feel like it's been a while since we made a dinner together. I got my hex-clad pan here. We'll put a little bit of olive oil in it. Get it covered a little bit in that olive oil. All right, so I'm take my chicken. This is thin sliced chicken breast. Ooh, that pan's already hot. Where I like it. Get my chicken good and grilled. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on my chicken. I also have some Weber roasted garlic Asiago here. So of course we can't forget our pepper. My daughter is here, but she's in the bath, so no pepper tonight. Get that cooking. While that's cooking, over on the stove, I'm gonna salt my water down a little bit. And I'm using rigatoni noodles tonight. 16 ounces, one box. Try to get a good little sear on my chicken. Oh. One of my favorite things to watch is Hallmark movies. Yes. Not afraid to admit that anymore because I'm 35 years old and I can proudly say I love a good Hallmark movie. There, I can sear on this. Throw on my pan because I'm going to put this in the oven. Got my oven preheated about 250 degrees. I don't want to overcook it or dry my chicken out, but I want it to be cooking. And this is done. I just don't want to be cold by the time we get where we need to get. Pop it into your oven. I'm going to lower my temperature all the way down to low heat. So next, we have our pan here. We just got to put our chicken in. We'll put a little bit more olive oil down. And we're going to throw in we're going to grab some of our onions. Throw them on down into our pan. Go ahead and cook them on down. You guys have regular garlic, that's fine. I'm going to use some minced garlic. I'm going to throw some garlic on down. About a tablespoon and a half. I got you. So I'm also going to add in my sun-dried tomatoes. So then I have my chicken stock or chicken broth. And I'm going to do 1 cup of chicken broth. Now I got my Italian seasoning here. Sprinkle some of my Italian seasoning on in. I got my heavy cream. New bottle too. Do 1 cup of heavy cream. And then grab some of your Parmesan cheese. About a 1/2 cup, depending on your liking. That never hurts to add a little extra cheese. We get a spoonful of pasta water. I'm gonna pop it on in. Yeah, I just got to thinking, like a little spice in my love, my marry me. So I think I'm gonna add some pepper jack cheese. So I want a little bit of a kick to go with it. And this is just optional. Start whisking that around. I'm gonna slowly start adding my noodles on in. I've dumped them all in before and I found out I made too many noodles. So I'm just gonna go nice and slow. A little bit more of my noodles. Yeah. Put the rest in. So all we're doing is sitting here stirring it on in, getting it just right. It's a quick, easy meal. Once that pasta starts getting in there, it's really gonna start thickening up your sauce, making it just right. A little more pepper. That Asiago garlic. All right, my chicken. Oh, my chicken. Mm, that's good. That chicken is juicy, tender. Mm, has a tinge of sweet to it from the honey mustard. And then we look at that. Mm-mm-mm. All right, so the only thing there's left for us to do, I mean, we can mix it up if you want to. Get chicken down in that sauce. Shots fired. All right, let's give this a try. Yummy, yummy in our tummy. Mm, mm. That's good, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this. This is my take on Marry Me Chicken Pasta. Just add a little bit of pepper jack. Pretty much traditional. Marry Me pasta is just you use sun-dried tomatoes, some onions into your pasta. And y'all, it's actually really good. I like the panini noodles, go well with it, really lather it up. And that chicken is just absolutely phenomenal. All right, y'all, and with that, we're gonna call it there. I appreciate y'all tuning in, watching my videos, liking, commenting, subscribing. Y'all have been absolutely amazing. And this here's been Marry Me Dad Chicken Pasta, y'all. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoyed your time here with me, my family. Y'all make sure, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, get notified every time I drop a video, and join me at Dad's Kitchen Table. I'll catch you in the next one.